Hello students, we're back again with the BEET Mower. Use the given equation to test the possible x, y, and z solutions. So now I got to plug in an x, a y, and a z value and see if it works. So we're going to need some space for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and write them all out and then we can figure out if they're solutions or not. So if the numbers are equal in this case, since we have variables on both sides, we want to see if our solution on the left is going to be equal to our solution on the right. If those numbers are equal, we're going to say yes. If they're not equal, we're going to say no. So take your time, write it out carefully, and here we go. So on the left side, we have 2x plus 5y. So I'm going to write all those out first. So in this case, the first one we would do 2 times 5 plus a 5 times 2. Okay. Here we would do 2 times 5 plus a 5 times 9. Again, we're just plugging in the x and the y values here because that's all we need to plug in on the left. And then the final one on the left side would be a 2 times 10 plus a 5 times 8. Again, I'm plugging in all the x values and the y values into the left side of the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and calculate these and see what they are. 2 times 5 plus 5 times 2 is 20. All right, cool. 2 times 5 plus 5 times 9 is 55. And then 2 times 10 plus 5 times 8 is 60. Okay, so now we're going to switch over to the right side. Ooh, that's a bit too big. Let's get it to normal size pen. There we go. All right, so now we're going to do the right side and see if we get the number equaling the number. So let's go ahead and write this one out. This one's going to be 126. Probably go like this. Separate the two, and maybe you can go like this just to kind of give myself some room to work. Here we go. 126 minus 19. You're like, where are you getting this from? Right here. 126 minus 19 times the z value, which is 7, and then I have to add one more x, so plus 5. Okay, the next one's going to be 126 minus 19 times the z value, which is 4, plus the x value, which is 5 again. Okay, and the last one's going to be 126 minus 19 times the y value plus the x value. Okay, so make sure you write them out carefully, type them out carefully, however you get them set up. Okay, 126 minus 19 times 7 plus 5 is negative 2. These numbers are not equal to each other, so we're going to say no. 126 minus 19 times 4 plus 5 is 55. We got a winner. There we go. 55 equals 55, so we would say yes. This triple pair, ordered pair, ordered triplet is a solution to this crazy equation we got going on here. And the last one, 126 minus 19 times 12 plus 10 is negative 92. Way off. Not going to be a solution. No. All right. That's about it. The biggest thing, friends, is take your time. I like to write them all out, then calculate them all, just to get all the first steps done and all the second steps done second, and then just you can compare your numbers at the end. Otherwise, take your time, plug them in carefully, evaluate carefully, and good luck. We'll see you in class.